What's up, Geeksters? It's me, Omar from Geekster Labs, guys, and I have a quick tip video for you on backing up your iPhone. If you purchased a brand new iPhone and you're ready to set it up, you want to make sure that all the settings and all the files and everything from your old phone are going to go to the new phone, and do so through iCloud backup. So I'm going to show you really quickly how to do this. It's super simple. You just basically go to your settings on your phone. So this is what the main menu on my settings looks like. So basically you're going to scroll till you get to iCloud. You click on that. Scroll down a little bit further, you can see iCloud backup. Obviously for me, I have 200 gigabytes of iCloud space because I have the additional upgrade for the plan. But if you don't have that, that's fine as well. And so when you get to this menu right here, it's going to have the backup, and it's going to let you know what the latest backup was. So right now it says the latest backup was at 3:56 a.m. So anything I've done since 3:56 a.m., which was probably not too much, will not be on the phone, whether it's new pictures taken or whatever it is. So in order to back it up, you just click on backup. It's going to tell you that photos and app data are not backed up. Photos and data from IMDb and 7 other apps are not included in this backup. You can turn on backups for photos and other apps in the manage storage section. I don't care about those apps. I'm not worried about that. So I'm just going to continue, and it is going to create a backup of my current phone right now. So once it completes this backup, when I set up the new phone, I can restore from backup, and it will take all of the stuff off of this device and put it onto my new device. Now, if you guys are having issues with not having enough space, because sometimes we run out of iCloud backup space, obviously the easiest option is to upgrade your plan and to purchase additional space, which you have to pay for monthly. And I think as low as like $1 maybe. I can't remember how much the plan is. I had the 200 gig, and I don't even remember how much I paid for that. But that's for the whole family to share backup space. But if you are having issues, if you don't want to pay a monthly fee, but you want to be able to get your backup or the size of your backup lower, I'm going to be putting out another tip video on what you can do to minimize the size of their backup. So that way, if there's some things that aren't that important to you that you don't care about backing up, you can take those off and it won't take up that iCloud space. So keep on the lookout for that video on my channel. So for now, if you guys have any questions about this process, go ahead and post them down below, and I will see you guys in the next video.